So
way
these
cute.
are considered tile seams, and why do they call it a tile seam?
So you're going to be sewing 6 individual tiles.
So you don't have to have a great
Or
big hoop.
embroidery in.
Yeah,
No, it's a
what's
5
that
by
for?
7.
Yes.
This was seriously a game
Let's show
changer for
that.
me. So here's the trick. You want to line up all of your tiles. And then you're going to line these up. And I was putting it on the thread. No. You just put it on material. I just put a little bit
Okay, when you
before where
said
I
you
wanted
were
to line
putting
it
it
up.
on the thread,
Yeah, right
what
here
are
on the
you
satin
talking about?
stitch. On the satin stitch,
Oh,
it doesn't
nope.
stick.
No.
It doesn't stick. So then I just put it here on the fabric in between where I want it to line up. You're going to just fold this over and you're going to line up on the sewing machine.
Okay.
Okay, you're going to do a basting stitch because
Basting.
if you
Smart.
need to unpick it,
Wow. That looks fantastic. Super fun project.